Morning, Coco Fam. I'm going to introduce you my shake babies today. Shake baby has 5 flavors: original matcha, chocolate, strawberry, grain, and peach yogurt. So you can choose any flavor you want. The design of shake baby is very adorable. Pink color is all over the bottle. So cute. I'm planning to work out in the afternoon, so I'm going to make my shake baby with low-fat milk. I want some chocolate flavor, so I'm going to mix chocolate flavor shake baby with my low-fat. One bottle is 750 grams, so you can definitely eat this shake for a month or 2 months, or maybe 3 months. One serving calories is 121 calories, serving for 30 grams. So you can eat 25 times of 30 grams of one shake. Here you go. I smell cocoa. It smells really delicious and sweet. I'm going to have 1 scoop. This spoon is about 30 grams. Pour some milk. And shake, 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 baby. Shake, baby. I'm gonna get ready to work out. See you at the fitness center, guys. See ya. Yes, this is my shake baby bottle in my car. Drank a half of my shake. I'm on my way to fitness center and I'm drinking in my car. Yes, shake baby. Delicious.